Hey guys, Micah here with Electrek, and today I'm reviewing the VeeGo 750 from Ride Scoozy. This is an awesome electric fat tire bike that can hit 28 miles an hour and comes with a nice suite of components. Let's check it out. First of all, the VeeGo 750 is just a nice looking e-bike in my opinion. I like the rounded, curvy step-through frame and the candy apple red paint job, though it comes in other bright colors like yellow and blue also. Plus your standard white and black options as well. But it's not just about looks. The VeeGo 750 actually rides really well too. Those fat tires are great for cutting across the lawn or riding on smooth streets. And check out the Cloud9 saddle. Now that's a nice plush saddle for a comfy ride. When it comes to performance, well, that's off the charts. The VeeGo 750 has powerful acceleration off the line, coming from that 750 watt nominal but 1100 watt peak rated motor. And that acceleration is great whether you're using the twist throttle or pedal assist. This is a fast e-bike too, capable of hitting speeds of up to 28 miles per hour or 45 kilometers per hour. There is a catch though with the speed. The bike only goes up to 20 miles per hour or 32 kilometers per hour with the throttle only. From there, you'll have to give a little bit of pedaling action to unlock the top speed of 28 miles per hour. You don't have to pedal hard though. In fact, you don't even have to apply pressure to the chain, meaning you aren't really exerting any pedaling force, you just have to make the pedals move, and then suddenly the bike will speed up to its top speed of 28 miles an hour. I guess that's a legality thing to unlock the top speed with pedal assist in some regions. It was a little bit weird at first, admittedly, but I got used to it pretty quickly, and it's probably a good thing too, because it forces me to at least pedal a bit and not just treat the VeeGo 750 like a motorbike. And I look more like I'm riding a standard bike as well, which is probably nice for those around me. When it comes to components, the VeeGo 750 has you set as well. I already mentioned that nice cushy seat, but there are some other good features here as well. Check out these 180mm rotors on the Tektro disc brakes. Now the base model comes with mechanical disc brakes, but this is the upgraded model, which has hydraulic disc brakes. And like I always say, I love juice brakes because I never have to adjust them. The upgraded model also has a larger 17 amp hour battery. All told, the upgraded model is a bit pricier at $2,099, but even the base model with its 13 amp hour battery for just $17.99 will probably be enough for most people. That version is rated at 25 to 45 miles, depending on whether you're using throttle only or pedal assist. And it still comes with all of the other great VeeGo 750 features, like 9 different levels of pedal assist, a suspension fork, USB charging, built-in lights and turn signals. Oh, did I mention that this thing has a switch mounted on the handlebars for turn signals in the rear? How cool is that? Basically, this is just a really well put together e-bike. It reminds me of rad power bikes, but with more features and higher speeds, plus a prettier paint job. It doesn't fold in the center like the Rad Mini Step-Through did, but it does fold at the stem, meaning you can probably fit it in the back seat of most cars. So all in all, I'd give the VeeGo 750 2 thumbs up for the awesome ride quality, nice component choice, high speed, and general awesomeness of the bike. And the ability to upgrade it to hydraulic brakes and an 800 plus watt-hour battery just makes it even sweeter. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed that review of the VeeGo 750 electric fat tire bike. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up? And don't forget to subscribe so you can check out all of our electric vehicle videos right here on Electrek.